why can't we eat stunned meat? I eat stunned meat. But alhamdulillah, the people, they say that it is haram because they say that after stunning the animals die. So I don't think so, subhanallah, the animals die like that. But I eat, and if somebody doesn't want to eat, it's their choice. But I cannot say the animals which is stunned and slaughtered, it's haram. I will not say that, because there are two groups of the Muslim community. I know them, and I know them personally, and alhamdulillah, they issue the certificates. One issue the certificate for the animals slaughtered after the stunning, and the other group is saying no, stunning is haram. You are damaging, you are torturing the animal, and it is psychological effect is there on the animal. You are harming it, and you should not be. So they say that this is haram. So alhamdulillah, there are two parties. But as I said, according to my observation, I have been to many abattoirs. I have seen those abattoirs myself as an auditor. I went there. I have seen the animals being stunned and then they are slaughtered. I've seen that, alhamdulillah, and they don't die. I pulled 2-3 chicken which were stunned, and then I throw them on the ground. I found them there. They didn't die. And after a few seconds, when they regain the consciousness, they walk in a normal way. So I know that, and they are not stunned. The stunning was at that the one which I have seen. That stunning was to calm down the animal's movement so that slaughtering can be easily done. So that was my observation. Alhamdulillah, based on that, I eat that kind of meat. I eat chicken which is slaughtered through the stunning method, and even if the lamb is slaughtered, the cow is slaughtered in that way, I think for me, alhamdulillah, I eat. But it's up to you. If you are convinced with the other party, mashallah, and they say that it is haram, and you are convinced with their argument, alhamdulillah, you should go by that. Isn't it to do with the draining of the blood, though, Sheikh? I'm confused now. Yeah, see, there is no draining of the blood. I'll tell you, the places, I've been to 3 big abattoirs of chicken slaughtering, and these are actually run by the non-Muslims. And I'll tell you, personally, I have seen this, that there are, mashallah, number of Muslim butchers are standing, and the machine is there where it says, and there are thousands of chickens are hanged upside down, and they go by the machine, and then from there's a blade, fast blade or knife type of blade is there that cuts the jugular vein, and it is all going by name. And I have seen with my own eyes the blood flows out, and they take before they go out into complete cutting into pieces, the circle is there which takes them chicken all around for a few minutes so that the blood is completely removed. And not only that, at the end, the product where the chickens are being packed, I've seen there are neutral doctors are there. Neutral doctors or expertise are there who see that even there is any blood clot on the part of the chicken, they just throw it away. They say it is hygienically, it's not suitable for the human to eat. So imagine, these are non-Muslims. They don't have any concern whether it is halal or haram. But when last product, when it comes for the packaged area where they can be put into a bag or plastic one, on that, there are people who inspect even the full body of the chicken, that the complete blood has been drained out.